Let us explore the functions of the Lesson Statistics icon in detail. This icon is an extremely valuable assistant when allocating lessons, as it provides real-time statistics on the lessons that have been allocated. We will notice that the icon appears at 3 different places. It appears on each school widget to provide lesson statistics for all grades in the school. It also appears here on the lesson allocation screen and provides the same information as that on school widgets. Lastly, the icon appears on each lesson widget to provide lesson statistics for the specific grade in which the lesson appears. At this lesson allocation screen level, let us understand how to interpret the statistics. The icon provides lesson statistics in terms of subjects, student classes, and teachers. In the subject statistics, it displays statistics for all subjects in each grade. In our case, the statistics are for all subjects in grade 8, for all subjects in grade 9, for all subjects in grade 10, for all subjects in grade 11, and for all subjects in grade 12. Let's scroll back to the first subject in grade 8. This statistic says in the whole of grade 8 there are 50 lessons. Of those 50 lessons, only 4 are for the creative arts subject, which means creative arts lessons constitute 8% of the lessons in grade 8. The same applies to the EMS subject in grade 8. It has 4 lessons, which constitute 8% of the lessons in grade 8. There are 8 lessons that teach the English language in grade 8. Hence, English lessons constitute 16% of the lessons in grade 8. The rest of the subject statistics can be interpreted that way. This subject section enables school management to ensure that they align and comply with the percentage lessons for each subject in each grade, as prescribed by the Ministry of Education. For instance, the English subject constitutes 16% of the 50 lessons in grade 8, and 16% of the 50 lessons in grade 9, and 16.9% of the 71 lessons in grade 10, and 16% of the 50 lessons in grade 11, and finally 14% of the 43 lessons in grade 12. That is how the directive of the Ministry of Education can be enforced. The class statistics prevent the app user from allocating more periods to a class than the number of available periods. The list is sorted in descending order, such that classes with the highest number of periods appear at the top of the list. You'll recall that our sample school operates on a 5-day week with 6 periods per day, which gives us 30 periods per week. Each of the 5 days has a school break in period 3. This leaves us with 25 periods. In the class statistics, lessons in grade 8A and grade 8B respectively take up all 25 of the 25 available periods, leaving no free periods apart from the school break. Similarly, lessons in grade 9A and grade 9B respectively take up all 25 of the 25 available periods, leaving no free periods apart from the school break. Lessons in grade 10A and grade 10B, respectively, take up all 25 of the 25 available periods, leaving no free periods apart from the school break. Lessons in grade 10C, however, only take up 21 of the 25 available periods, leaving 4 free periods that can still be allocated lessons. Remember that this list is sorted in descending order of allocated periods. Lessons in grade 11A and grade 11B respectively take up all 25 of the 25 available periods, leaving no free periods apart from the school break. Lessons in grade 12A take up 24 of the 25 available periods, leaving 1 free period that can still be allocated a lesson. Finally, lessons in grade 12B take up 19 of the 25 available periods, leaving 6 free periods that can still be allocated lessons. Again, grade 12A and grade 12B appear apart due to the sorting of the list in descending order of allocated periods. The teacher statistics are similar to the class statistics in that they prevent the app user from allocating more periods to a teacher than the number of available periods. The list is also sorted in descending order, such that teachers with the highest number of periods appear at the top of the list. If any of the classes or teachers were to be allocated more than the 25 available periods, the color of these status indicators would turn red and the user would not be able to generate timetables until that over-allocation of periods is resolved. Let us now move to the statistics icon on the lesson widgets. As stated before, The statistics icon on the lesson widgets provides lesson statistics for the specific grade in which the lesson appears. On any grade 12 lesson widget, it will thus provide statistics about grade 12 subjects, grade 12 teachers, and grade 12 student classes. On any grade 11 lesson widget, it will provide statistics about grade 11 subjects, grade 11 teachers, and grade 11 classes. On any grade 10 lesson widget, it will provide statistics about grade 10 subjects, grade 10 teachers, and grade 10 student classes. And so forth for other grades. That concludes the explanation of the functions of the lesson statistics icon. In summary, the icon enables the DreamTimetables app user to ensure that subjects in the various grades are allocated the number of periods in line with the prescripts of the Ministry of Education, and that student classes and teachers are not allocated more periods than those available in a school week. Before we conclude this session, it is important to point out that although we refer to a lesson widget as a single lesson, it is in reality a lesson group. Take, for instance, this grade 10 lesson 1. Teacher T001 teaches the Setswana language to grade 10A students 3 times a week, and to grade 10B students 3 times a week, and to grade 10C students 3 times a week. Those are 9 lessons in total. DreamTimetables app provides this compact, concise, and terse way to create lessons, saving the user hours of otherwise having to type the lessons in individually. Having completed allocating lessons to all grades of our sample school, it is time to place an order for timetables to be generated using this information. That is the subject of the next session. See you there.